Okay guys, so it's the next day now. So since today is our last day here, we have to start packing and stuff because we're gonna go back home. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna stop by some places on the way home. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I'm all ready now and I packed all my stuff and now I'm waiting for the others to get ready. Okay, so we just bought our food and I'm done with my food and she's still eating. But we have decided to go to the House of Frankenstein Wax Museum after we're all done eating. So I'm really excited, so meet you there. Okay, we just got out of there. It was amazing. It was scary too, like all the music. It was really dark, so you probably cannot see most of what was happening in there. But there was like really scary music. It was really scary, but really cool at the same time. The water's really cold and the sand is really hot. We just went for a walk and this weather is so tiring. It's so hot. Okay, so we decided to stop at a restaurant called Hudson Curry House. I haven't had food from this place before, so I don't know how good the food actually is, but I'm gonna try it now. Let's try this. It's really good.